Hi, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Natural Good, and welcome to today's should I say vlog or experience or discussion, anyone you want to call it. So today the gist I brought you guys is about my root canal treatment. Call and wear root canal treatment. So today I'll be telling you guys my experience while going for a root canal treatment. I'm not done with it yet, and as you can see, I can't open my mouth anyhow. All this one a vibe I give myself. If I try and it's painful. So but I just want to bring the gist to you guys and at least share my experience. Maybe it will help someone, and at least maybe it will also boost someone's knowledge about what root canal treatment is. And so we all do just go for the fastest, easiest, and should I say wrongest option, which is tooth remover. Because in Nigeria here, we are quick to just go to the dentist and say, which means I have to remove my tooth. Just remove it. But today I'll be telling you that there are other options. I'm not a dentist though, this is from my personal experience. So you guys, if you want to learn what root canal treatment is, if you want to know how to go about it, how much it costs, how much it cost me, and what results, the effects, blah blah blah, everything about root canal. Please stick to the end of this video, and please subscribe, share, and comment if you are especially if you're planning to go for your tooth treatments, or if you've not seen a dentist in a while. Please comment, let us know. I want gang me, let me know you guys. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So it happened that like late last year, maybe September thereabouts, or I think around September. No, I think it was July. It was around July. So I started feeling like a shock, like in my tooth, a particular tooth on this side. So I started feeling like it was shocking me. So but I didn't take it serious. I was just like, oh, maybe a headstone, maybe something, maybe this, and I waved it. So my husband kept telling me, why not visit a dentist? I said, no, I don't need to see a dentist. And then went on and on until it became a pain. Like I started feeling pains in my tooth, and it was so painful that it would go on for days. I would just take paracetamol. I would just go ahead and forget it. So at the point it was like, no, this year, just like I think few days ago, let me say few weeks ago, it was just like, no, you have to go, because it became so unbearable that I could not sleep at night. So I went to the dentist. Fortunately for me, the dentist happens to be a member of my church, so I just went to her office, and then the doctor attending to patient checked my tooth, and she was like, oh, after an x-ray, she was like, oh, you still have the option of actually saving the tooth instead of removing it. Because I went there with the mindset of remove this thing, let everybody be at peace. But she was like, you can actually save the tooth, and but we can't feel it. She gave me the option of, she told me about filling, root canal, and then removal, which happens to be the last option. She was not like, if I had come earlier, maybe around January, December, when it was not that worse, they would have just filled the tooth, and I would have gone ahead with it for a long time. But that at this rate now, they just have to either do a root canal treatment for me, or if I don't want to do that, they would remove it. So I thought, okay, how much? And then they gave me the bill. Guys, they told me the amount. The amount was shocking. You know what funny thing? Let me quickly give you a gist. I met another guy there on another day when I went for appointment with my mom. And the guy was like, he wanted to remove his tooth soon. And they were like, no, there's still this option of root canal. And they told the guy, this is the price, oh, so. You know what the guy said? The guy said, oh, what's in my figure flats? That means he was saying, this money is enough for me to rent, to get an accommodation, very comfortable accommodation. I just busted out laughing because I was like, Nigeria, see what Nigeria has turned people to. So back to our gist. I said, I don't know. You know what, you guys, let me go home. Let me go and have a rethink. let me let me encourage myself in the Lord. So I left, and then I got back home. My husband was like, oh, it's better you just save the tooth than you just remove it. If you still can save it. So I spoke with the doctor, and then she was like, oh, okay, we can give you a discount based on you are my paddy. So she gave me a discount, and I went back. I deposited, and I went back. I went back last week Monday. I'm recording this video on a Wednesday. That is a week after I started. So I went back on Monday, and they were like, okay, so this is what we do with the RCT. We are going to treat the root of the tooth. That's why they call it RCT, root canal treatment. So they said they will treat the roots, they will treat the canals, and then when they're done, they will just try to do something like filling, and once they are done, they will put a crown on it. It is that crown organ that is expensive. The filling is just less than 100,000, but you see that crown, that thing they call crown, it must be gold. I've not seen it yet. So they were like, that's what they would do, and it takes 3 weeks to treat the roots, the canals, and then I was going to start on that Monday. Somehow, I think the file they were supposed to use to scrape the tooth at that particular center didn't work. So they were like, okay, let's visit the other center tomorrow. You can come. But as at that time, they had already given me injection to deaden my tooth and the whatever and gums. So the next day, I carried myself and went there. I got there, and they put the injection. To make the story short, and this thing, they put the injection. The lady injected me right under my gum, on my cheeks, and in like less than 1 minute, everything was numb. I couldn't feel anything. Stroke, no be small thing. No, may God never let us see stroke. And for those who have it, may God heal you in Jesus' name. Everything felt like the place was not working. So I was like, okay. They went ahead. I heard the lady started filing with small thing like this. All I was hearing was crack, crack, and the smell, crack, crack, crack. And then she will irrigate, and then they will suck it with their suction or whatever. They will suck it, and then they did that over again until she was satisfied. Then she brought out this needle that looked like thumb pin. It was longer than thumb pin. It was like times 3 or times 4 of thumb pin, but and thinner. She just started sticking it in. I have pictures. I don't know if I'll be able to put the pictures in this video. She will stick it like 3 or 4. I don't know. She stuck them, and then she said I should go back for X-ray. I went for X-ray, and they're like, did I see the canal? Did I not see the canal? Okay, did I get the canal? Blah blah. All this canal thing, they enter my head. Just finish this thing. Let me go. So fortunately for me, she was able to get the canals. I think she got 2 out of 3 according to her. So she worked on those 2 for that day. I was salivating. The lady was almost frustrated because she wanted that side of my mouth to be clean and dry. They kept suctioning. As they would be removing the suction, saliva will be coming back. She said, oh yeah, put it again. Long story short, they started around to 12, maybe 11:30, 11:45, thereabout. They finished 2 o'clock. My jaw was open as in for 2 hours. And then when she was done, she now put something. I think there was a powder she mixed with whatever. I don't know the name. She mixed the powder together, and then she started filling the tooth. So she filled it, and by the time she was done, at the point I was feeling pain. So she was like, how can you be feeling pain after this injection? She said she must find out. That was for the first week. So thereabout, she just filled it, and then she put the cotton wool on it, asked me to press it down with my teeth, and then she gave me drugs, and then I went home. A week after, which was yesterday, Tuesday, I went back there. Maybe I don't know what she was thinking. Maybe she felt like I'm a superhero. She did not give me injection. She just removed the old, should I call it plaster now? That thing she used to feel it. She removed it. That thing was smelling. She removed it, cleaned up the whole place, and then brought out those needles again. And then she put it. By the time she was putting 2, I was already. I could not shout because they had already put one whatever dentals whatever in my teeth that kept my mouth open. So I could not shout. But that first day, guys, let me not forget. I cried though. When I was feeling one pain like that. You will not be able to cry out. It's like when our parents beat us and they tell you not to cry in this Yoruba land. They will beat you and tell you in Niger, don't cry. So you'll be doing, oh, oh. That was my experience. Water was just being from my eyes. So the second time, she did not give me drugs. She did not took that thing. I was just doing, oh, oh. And then she was like, are you feeling better? I said, yeah. Oh, she didn't know that it would be that painful again for the second time. So she gave me the injection again. This chick don't suffer within 1 week. She gave me the injection. Papa, everything went numb. And then she started cleaning with hydrochloric. Is it hydrochloride or whatever? Hydro something. Water and hydrochloric. She started cleaning and suction, and then she went in again to put the needles. And fortunately for her, she got the third canal. So after cleaning, the cleaning is they will just put that file in your tooth. They will remove one small things like this. I don't know what the things are. They are just removing it and cleaning them, removing it and cleaning them. And in less than 2 hours, this one was faster. Even after the injection, I slept though. I could not even record that part. I was sleeping. I dozed off. It was not until they took one part that I woke up. I said, hey. So me, I'm sleeping here with fan and AC and everything. After that, we cleaned up, and then she put the whatever again. She put them again, and then she asked me to press. This time she didn't put too much. She just asked me to close my teeth. But since that yesterday, I've not been able to chew well. Liquid, fine. Fluid, anything fluid works. But when it comes to anything swallow, I think will work, because you just throw it in your mouth and swallow it. But when it comes to my noodles, my beans, my rice, I've not been able to chew them very well, and it's so painful that I cannot enjoy my food right now. But I believe it's for a better cause. So guys, this is where I am right now. I've not done the 3rd week, and they've not put the crown. But a quick show of what she puts in my teeth. I can think. I think. Again, that white thing there, that was what she used to plaster the teeth. And there I am. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you're waiting for the last part of the roots canal treatment, you want to know how it went, and you want to know what actually is that crown, please subscribe to this channel so that I can keep you posted. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Ciao.